MDT stock analysis and price predictions for this is Tuesday. Is Medtronic stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. And also, by the way, having done well over 45,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's working for me and what's not, and maybe I've documented it all. With this in particular instance, it's a solid bullish market. You know what I'll do, just zoom out. We have the top here. We have the low. And ultimately, yeah, higher time frame, technically bullish market, which I like, because lower time frame is also just showing me the same thing. Certainly, now here's the top here. Boom. Yeah, genuinely speaking, I mean, hopefully it gaps up and whatnot, and then I see a correction to take things up. But, you know, me randomly buying here just not going to be happening. Mainly we'll keep an eye. You know, I'm not saying Tuesday is going to be a buy, but Tuesday onwards, plus well, once we have more candles, we can see what we can work from there. With the current candles that we have, I mean, not much, nothing basically. I'm not going to do nothing. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. We'll see you in the next one.